Hey guys, Dan here. This is probably going to be the shortest free chart video that I've ever done. I could just about probably write an article about it instead. Look, the market, to say it sucks is probably being gracious. It's just a really bad market right now. In my view, the only stocks that you want to be buying or owning would be, energy stocks. We have several of those in our active trades going on, and they're doing well. They're not knocking the lights out, shooting the lights out, but they're doing pretty well. Or if you're not doing that, you're looking for bottoms like these big oversold rebounds like Wal-Mart. Now, you see this kind of move, I don't have to describe the chart to you. This is all I'll say. Today's intraday high was 120.84. The low was 117.87. So if you were to buy when the stock hits 120.85 and put your stop just a little bit below 117.27, you would have a risk of right around 3.2% or so, and you would be trading an oversold rebound. If, again, the stock runs up above today's intraday high, that would be the trade. This would be your stop here. What are you doing? You're trading what you believe is the end of the selling. Each day, volume's gotten less. Today, lower again, but the stock just barely closed green. So I'm looking for like turnaround Monday. And if that's the case, then, hey, maybe it'll be Taco Tuesday and we can all go out for Mexican food. I don't know. That's all I got for you. I'll see you next week. Hopefully, it'll be better.